Hey, what's up guys? So you want to make papaya salad and sometimes you can't get a hold of any papaya. Maybe the store ran out. There's times where I went to go get papaya and there's none. But no worries. A good replacement is by using vermicelli noodle. In Lao, we call this Thum Poon. So here's what you're gonna need. Some lime, tomatoes, shrimp paste, fermented fish sauce is optional, which is badeg, fish sauce, sugar or palm sugar, Msg optional, and a pestle mortar. If you don't have this, you can use blender. You find this at the Asian supermarkets. A lot of these stuff you can find on Amazon, but they're normally triple the price. In a pestle mortar, add 1 or 2 garlic, followed by your desired amount of chili pepper. Smash it into a paste like this. Shrimp paste, or known as kapi. Next goes in your sliced tomatoes. If you want a full tutorial on how to make papaya, I do have it on my YouTube as well. Next, add in your Msg and fermented fish sauce, both are optional. Lastly, add in your vermicelli noodle, toss and coat, and you're done. Pair this up with some cabbage or pork rinds. You can enjoy this by itself or pair it up with some barbecue. Make this at the lake, perfect for a summer spicy snack. Wow, that's spicy.
Follow for more.